night away, hang out the whole next day.